How to fix Messenger voice message black screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger voice message black screen on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again. Now just scroll down until you find Messenger, and then click on it and click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and now go to permissions and go to microphone and click allow, and then go to storage, click allow and go back. And now all you need to do just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.